Lily loved her grandpa's garden. It was a place of vibrant colors, sweet smells, and buzzing bees. Every day she would run through the rows of flowers, giggling as the butterflies fluttered around her.
Grandpa, look, this seed is so tiny. What kind of flower will it grow into?
That, my dear, is a mystery, but every seed holds a promise of life and beauty.
Can I plant it?
Of course, my little gardener. Let's find the perfect spot for it.
I hope it grows quickly.
Patience, my dear. Nature takes its time.
I will give you my sunshine, little seed, to help you grow strong.
I will whisper secrets to you, little seed, and carry your scent across the fields.
I will nourish you with my gentle drops, little seed, and help you blossom into something beautiful.
Excited Grandpa, look, it's growing.
Smiling. Yes, Lily. The little seed is listening to the whispers of the wind, the warmth of the sun, and the nourishing touch of the rain.
Gazing at the flower. It's so beautiful. Thank you, little seed, for growing so big and strong.
Putting his arm around Lily. The flower is beautiful, Lily, but the real beauty lies in the love and care you gave it. Remember, my dear, nature is a gift. It needs our love and respect to thrive.
This is for you, Grandpa. Thank you for teaching me to love nature.
Smiling and hugging Lily.